conformal coating. Yes, now the part number is visible. If you see this IC, there is conformal coating. It is used to prevent from weather effects. Let's remove this conformal coating. There are many methods to remove this conformal coating. We can apply hot air and we can scratch using scriber wooden stick. Today I will use paint remover. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. I will use paint remover. You can find it easily from paint shops, from hardware shops. We will apply a very limited amount of this paint remover on this component. After that, we will clean with water. We will clean it nicely with water, warm water, and we will not leave any remaining amount of paint remover on the PCB. Once it is done, let it dry. You can apply hot air and then we will clean it with isopropyl alcohol. Yes, now the part number is visible. If you enjoyed this method, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.